Now in this video we will going to take up one more problem on the projection development of lateral surfaces of solids. How to solve this problem by using the solid edge software. The problem reads as the inside of a hopper of a floor mill is to be lined with thin sheet. The top and bottom of the hopper are regular pentagons with each side equal to 30 mm and 22.5 mm respectively. The height of the hopper is 30 mm. Draw the shape of the sheet to which it is to be cut as to fit into the hopper. Regular with each side equal to, the height of the hopper is 30 mm. So here, since he has not given any initial condition, we can take it in whichever way you want. Now first I will going to write the question here. So to do that, first I will go for the solid edge screen. So this is the default A2 size sheet. I need to convert this into A4. So because I want to take the printout in A4, so just go to the sheet 1 on the lower left corner, just right click on sheet setup, and in the background sheet you select A4 and you don't want to show any background, say OK, and now you fit it to the A4 size sheet. Then you go to IntelliSketch, enable endpoint, intersection and horizontal or vertical, and all other options you make it disabled. Then I need to write the text, so go to text. So here select Times New Roman, you take the font size as 4. Then you click wherever you want. Then you come down to the inside of a hopper. So you take the inside of a hopper of a floor mill, is to be lined with thin sheets. Is to be lined with thin sheet. First, the top and bottom. The top and bottom of the hopper are regular pentagons with each side equal to 30 mm and 22.5 mm respectively. The height of a hopper is 50 mm. The height of a hopper is 30 mm. Draw the shape of the sheet to which it is to be cut, as to fit into the hopper. Then you just right click, then you go to move command, select this text box and place it wherever you want. Now you come down to zoom window. Now we want to do the all other, how to start with the problem. Since you are not given the pentagonal surface, so I can place such that one of the slant edges is parallel to VP, so that you will going to get the true length directly. So we need not to find the true length. So first I will go for a line command. So you go to the line width, make it 0.05. So first I will construct two pentagons of 30 mm and 22.5 mm separately. So go to line, select some arbitrary point, take 30, angle is 0. Then 30, angle is 72. Then you take 30, angle is 144. Then you take 30, angle is 216. Then you take 30, angle is 288. I need to find out the center of this, so I will go for enabling the midpoint. So I will go to take line, you take endpoint of this to midpoint of this. Then similarly endpoint of this to midpoint of this edge. Then you go to trim corner between these two. Now you go to select this, all these 5 lines, okay. Then come down to group, select this and you accept it. Then you go to select this and make it 0.5, okay. Then again you go to group, select this and these two. Now you go to rotate, select this, rotate this with reference to this horizontal and you make it disable copy and make it vertical. Now you go to move, select this and move it here. This is the first part of the drawing. Now I need to create one more, which is 22.5. You just go to line, say take some point, take 22.5, angle is 0, then 22.5, angle is 90, 22.5, enter, angle is 72, then 22.5, angle is 144, then take 22.5, angle is 216, then you take 22.5, angle is 288. Now you go to group, select this entire drawing and make it as group. Then I want to find, you select these two, make it 0.5, okay. Then I need to go to line, take endpoint of this to midpoint of this. Similarly, take endpoint of this to the midpoint of this, and then go to trim corner between these two. Now you go to rotate this entire drawing with reference to this horizontal line, you make it vertical. Now you go to move command, disable copy, you select this, end of this to end of this. Now you got the actual center. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing. Now you just go to this and delete it. Now we have a move, select this entire drawing, take it at the bottommost point, okay. Then you go to split. So now I will go for ungroup all, okay. Now all these lines have been removed. So go to zoom. So here you go to split this line till here, then you split this line till here. Now you go to line command, draw a line from end point to this end point. Similarly from end point of this to end point of this, like this, okay. Now you go to select by holding the shift key, you select these two lines and these 3 lines. Now make it 0.5, okay. Now I want to name them. So to do that, I will go for a text. So here your text, make it 3. So you take A and you take B, C, D, E, and here it is O. Okay, and at the bottom you take it as O1, okay, in bracket. So you go to move, select A, then you take B, then you take C, then you take D, then you take E, then you take O, then you take O1, okay. This is how you will be able to create the drawing. The top and bottom of the hopper, the top is 30. So here you go to line, select some arbitrary point and then draw a horizontal line. And take the height of the hopper is 30. So you go to offset, take the distance as 30. You select some arbitrary distance and then do it. Now you go to line command, draw a line from end point So you don't have to take this midpoint, you take this end point. Okay. Similarly from here also you take this end point. Then you take this end point and draw a axis line. So go to trim. Okay. Trim these two. Now here you go to split this line till here. Then you go to the bottom surface. So how to go to the bottom surface? Go to line, take end point, and then you take this end point. Then you take this end point. Now you go to zoom window. Then go to trim. Okay. Now you go to line, take end point of this line to end point of this. Then you take end point of this to end point of this. Then you take end point of this to end point of this. And now you go to split this line till here. Then you take split this line till here. Now you split this till here. You split this till here and go to text. And this is also, you remove it. Okay. Now we want to name them. So you just go to this, select this, and you select this. All these things has to be done. Point. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing. Sorry, this is not the one what I want. This is wrong. So this is the axis line what I want. So you go to extend to next. Sorry, you don't have that line. So I will create one line here and go to extend to next. This one. Okay. Now you go to select by holding the shift key, you remove it. So here, this is the top surface, so go to trim. Okay. Now you come down to zoom window. Go to line, take end point of this to end point of this. Okay. So go to select this line, make it 0.5. Okay. Then you go to split this line till here, and now you split this line till here. Now you go to select, you delete this line, then you select this line, make it point axis line. Okay. Now once you do that, so you have the drawing now. So I want to write. So here you go for a text. You type A dash, and here it is B dash. Then you have C dash. Then you have D dash in bracket. Then you have E dash in bracket. Then you have O dash in bracket. Similarly, in this case, you have O1 dash in bracket. Okay. Here you have 1 dash. Here it is 2 dash. Here it is 3 dash. Then here it is 4 dash. And here it is 5 dash. Okay. So this is the frustum of a pyramid. It's a section plane where it is parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP. So that is the reason why you are getting like this. Okay, this is 2 dash. So this is 4 dash and this is 3 dash now. Similarly, you take C dash. Here it is A dash. Okay, you take 5 dash. Here it is O dash. Then it is B dash. Then here it is T dash. Then you have C dash. Now, once you do that, so this is the actual figure what you have. And now I want to find, suppose if the section plane is not there here, then what would have happened? So these two will going to get back to the bottom side. Yes, it is at this point. Similarly, this line also will make you to get into this side. Okay, go to extend to next. Okay, it comes down to this point. Okay, so these two will going to meet at this point. So now what I need to do, I will go for a split. Split this line till here. Then you split this line till here. Okay. Now you go to shift. Select this between these two. You make this two as 0.05. Okay. Now I need to find the true length. The true length is between this point to C. So what is the length of the true length? Because that is the edge which is parallel to VP. So I want to name them here in the top view. So to do that, I will go for a text. Okay. And here you type text. Here you type 1, then you type 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So go to move, take 5 here, then you take 1 here, then you take 2, 3, then you have 4. Okay. Then go to format, modify, general, take everything black, then go to text, come down to solid times no Roman, then you take font size as 3, then go to lines and coordinates, point 1, say OK and apply. So go to distance between these two, take it 30, then from here it is 22.5. Now I want to find the true length. What is the true length? True length between OC. So go to distance between this point to here. So what is the dimension? It is 122.68. Correct? It is 122.68. See that you will going to have the same thing, 122.68, and then from the bottom side it will be 92.01. So again you go to fit. So you come down to distance between, select this endpoint to this endpoint, 92.01. Correct? So you take 92.01. So once you have this, now I need to write the drawing now. So I will go for a line command, draw one horizontal line. So first I will go for a move command first. Take this entire drawing and move it out here. Okay. Now I will go for writing the text for this. I will put the caps lock on, type capital X, and here it is capital Y. So you take VP and here it is HP. Then go to zoom window, go to move, take X and VP and HP, take Y. Now you go to select by holding the shift key. You select this one and this one, make it 0.13. Then you go to distance between this line and this line. So here it is 30. Okay. Go to fit and go to line. Take one horizontal line of any length. So go to circle. I want to do the development now. 122 point. Take this, So go to circle. Take the endpoint of this circle. What is the radius you want? The radius is 122.68. So take 122.68. Take this. 122.68. Then I want a radius of 30 here. So what you need to do is, I will go to arc by center point. Take the intersection point of this. What is the radius you want? 30. So what is the sweep angle? It is 15 degrees. So you take it and you keep it here. Then again go to zoom window. Again you go to circle, arc by center point. Take the intersection, radius 30, sweep angle is 15 degrees. You take it to the second point. Then again go to arc. Take this intersection. Take the radius as 30, sweep angle as 15 degrees. So you take 3. Similarly, go to arc by center point, take the intersection point of these two, radius 30, and take a sweep angle as 15 degrees, and you keep it here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we want to 5. So take the radius as 30 and take 15 degrees. So you come down to this and take it. Now once you do that, now you go for a line command. Draw a line from intersection to this end point to this intersection. Similarly, you take this line and then end point. Then you take the intersection to this intersection to this end point. Now you take the intersection of these two. Similarly, you take the intersection of these two. Then from here also you take the intersection of these two. Okay. Once you do that, you go to trim this side and this side and this side. Then you go to delete this entire drawing. Now once you do that, now you want the radius of 92.01. So go to circle by center point, take end point. What is the radius you want? Radius is 92.01. So this is the diameter what I have. So go to tab and type 92.01. Similarly, go to trim this side and also this side. Then go to erase this arc. Now I want to name them, because this is all these sectional points will have the same true length. So because it is parallel to HP, so you take intersection to this intersection to this intersection to this intersection to this end point. Now you go to text. What is the text you want? Here I will put from capital A, then B, C, D, E and A. Similarly, here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1. Okay. Now you come down to zoom window. Now again go to move. Take A and here it is 1. Take 5, E, D, 4, then 3, then C, then 2, then B, then 1, 2. Okay. Now I need to split that. So go to split this line till here, 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 and split this line till here. So go to shift, you select these lines, okay, and you select all these lines, make it 0.5. Okay, so come down to zoom window, go to select this line, and this line, this line and this line, make it 0.5. Okay, similarly go to fit, go to zoom window, again you go to select this line, this line, this line and this line, make it 0.5. Okay, then you go to move. Okay, take move, keep it one inside, and this A. Go to fit, go to some window, and here you type capital O. So capital O. Okay, then go to move. Here you type the distance between this line and this line, which is 92.01. and from here to here, which is 122.68. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing, and I need to show the top and bottom face of the drawing. So to do that, I will go for distance between this line and this, which will be 30, and again from this point to this, which will be 22.5. You are going to get automatically when you have the proper two lengths. So these two dimensions shows that your drawing is right. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing by using the SolidWorks software, and this portion is only the development part of the drawing. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing of a frustum of a pentagonal pyramid of having the top and bottom surfaces of 30 and 22.5 and to a height of 30 mm. So this is a typical problem of a frustum of a pentagonal pyramid. Frustum of a pentagonal pyramid. The frustum means a section plane which is parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP is called the frustum. So this is how you will be able to do the drawing by using the SolidWorks software. Thank you.